Hi, I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and I'm here to show you tight and loose ribbing. There are a couple of ways to do tight and loose ribbing, and one of the ways I think about is using either thin yarn and small needles, or another way is to really put a lot of tension on your yarn. That can be problematic if you're making something like socks and you make it too tight to start with. You might not be able to get your foot into it. But you'll see that this is actually tighter than it looks because this is all spread out on the needle. But this ribbing tightened up itself. And if you use large needles and larger yarn, you have something that's there. You have something that's larger, and I can hardly tell that this is ribbing actually. So it's very soft ribbing because the needle is large and the yarn is large. I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and that was tight and loose ribbing.